So we've had crotchets and quavers. Now we have semi-quavers. Semi means half, and that's what it is, half a quaver. So a semi-quaver by itself, the same way that a quaver by itself looks like that, a semi-quaver by itself looks like that. None of the patterns that we do are going to have semi-quavers by themselves. They're always going to be joined up, but it's perfectly possible to have one by itself. They don't need to be joined up. 2 lines semi-quaver, 1 line quaver. Okay, so each of these things lasts for a crotchet, lasts for 1 beat. They're split up differently. Straight up quavers is 1 and. Straight up semi-quavers, 4 semi-quavers. What I've written there is 1 E and A. Now what would happen if you have a combination of the 2 things? Essentially what happens is when you have a quaver, that lasts for 2 semi-quavers. So whenever the quaver happens, you don't have the next sound, whatever the next sound is of the 1 E and A. First one's a semi-quaver. That only lasts for one of the sounds, so 1. Then you're on to E for the second one. That's a semi-quaver as well, so that takes you just onto the next sound. But this is a quaver, so that lasts for 2. So this just becomes 1 E and. You don't have the A. This quaver overwrites that semi-quaver. So you've got 1 E and, which sounds conveniently like apple pie. Apple pie. 1 E and. Okay, so these 3 things, this is, then you have, and here, 1 and, 1 E and A, 1 E and, or apple pie. Okay, right into it. So same format as before, have a look at that and then pause it. Work it out. We have 2 of these combinations that we were talking about, which are apple pie or 1 E and. So see if you can figure that out. Pause it. Okay, let's do it. 2, 3, 4. Okay. One E and, 2 E and, 3 and 4. One E and, 2 E and, 3 and 4, or apple pie, 3 and 4. Okay, next one. Ready? Having paused the video and worked it out yourself, let's do it together. 3, 4. Okay, and again. 2, 3, 4. 1 E and, 2 and, 3 E and, 4. Apple pie 2 and apple pie 4. Pause it. Pause it. Pause it. Pause it. play it together. After 4, 3, 4. And again, 2, 3, 4. 1 E and rest, 3 E and 4. Okay, so we've got the bass drum in here. So if you watched the last video, you remember we just did stamping your feet for the bass drum. We've now got clapping and stomping, I guess. So how does that go? Pause it and work it out. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Okay. And again, 2, 3, 4. Good. 1 E and 2 and 3 E and 4. 2 is the bass drum. 1 E and 2 and 3 E and 4. Okay, so here it's almost the same as the last one, but one of the apple pies, one of the combinations of semi-quavers and quavers is 2 semi-quavers, then the bass drum. So that one, if you can see it, will go apple pie, but the pie is the bass drum. Apple pie. Okay, so how does that whole phrase go? Let's play it. After 4, 3, 4. Okay, so a bit tricky. Let's do that again. 2, 3, 4. Very good. 1 E and 2 and 3 E and 4. Okay, a couple more of these patterns. Have a look at that one, see if you can figure it out. And let's play it together. So after 4, 2, 3, 4. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and boom. Okay, and again. 2, 3, 4. Okay, a rest on beat number 1. How does this one go? Are you ready? After 4, 2, 3, 4, rest. And again. 2, 3, 4. Very good. Rest, 2 and 3 E and 4. So how does this one go? Ready? 3, 4. Boom, boom, cha, cha, cha. Boom, boom, cha. Okay. 1 after 4 again. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. Okay. Second last one. We figured it out. How does it go? Let's do it. 1, 2, well, after 4, 2, 3, 4. You don't have to burp at the end, it's optional. And again, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. Let's do that one more time. 2, 3, 4. Apple pie. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4. Okay, last one. What does that look like? It's the same thing repeated 4 times. Easy as the culmination of reading and clapping 4. So it's apple pie, apple pie, apple pie, apple pie. You ready? With a base pie. Ready? 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Okay, give yourself a pat on the back. That is the apple pie combo of semi-quavers and quavers. 1 E and. Done. Well done. Done.